Hi guys, so we're gonna learn together how we can trade with the iSignal, okay? So it's very simple. The system will give you a buy signal, something like this. So it's really easy. Once the system analyzes the market and see there is a buy position right here. See this buy? The system will issue a buy position like this. This is automated. We'll give you the stop loss right here. Then we'll give you target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4, and target 5. The system will send you alert like this one here. Let's click on it. So it will say buy US30 at price 37,633, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4, and take profit 5. Okay, you can get this in the TradingView platform. You can get it in your email. You can get it in your app, in your phone, TradingView app. Okay, and you can check it also from the TradingView web-based icon in your cell phone. So you can open the TradingView from the browser. Also, you can get the alert there. As well, you can connect it to Telegram, but you have to pay through a third party. Okay, it's like $5-6 a month or something, but you can get the message in Telegram right away. Then most of the systems are just to get something like this. It's a buy, stop loss here, take profit there. But this system is different. Okay, what's going to happen is once you reach take profit 1, you're going to get another message. It says update US30 buy signal. So we're going to update the signal now. Congrats. Take profit 1 achieved at price 37,720. So it's going to give you the price of take TB1 and says it has been achieved. Then it says you made 87 point, okay, profit. Gives you a note. What should you do? Move stop loss to enter price. So the stop loss initially was at 37,550. Now move it up to the enterprise at 37,633. Okay, so now it's a risk-free trade. You move your stop loss to the enterprise. Why you're doing this? So the price doesn't come back and hit your stop loss after you already made 80 points. Okay. Also gives you another choice. It says if you wish to close some or all of your profit, it's your choice. Okay, but patience is recommended for now. It's better to wait a little bit. Then the price has reached take profit 2. The system is not going to leave you alone. The system is going to send you another message. It says update US30 by signal. So if you have multiple alerts, you can know this signal belong to which one. That's why it's just tracking the same signal. So if you have one in gold, one in Apple, one in Amazon, one in Microsoft, one in Dow Jones, you can track all of them. You can make a list of 100, 200. It's up to you. It depends on your plan in TradingView. You can make up to 800. It says congrats, take profit to achieved at 37,800. That's really good news. How much points did I make? It says you made automated, guys. This is all automated. You made 174 points, 0.9. So it's like almost 150 points, which is really good. It says a lot of money. It says note, move stop loss to take profit 1. Price at 37,720. So now your stop loss, okay, imagine here. First, the stop loss was here. Once we reach take profit 1, you move the stop loss to here. Once we reach take profit 2, you move stop loss to take profit 1, and so on. Once we reach take profit 3, you move stop loss here. So if it happens, the price comes back, you log this profit and you take it and you get out of the market. Okay, this is very, very important. Why? A lot of traders that trade will make 300-400 bips and he loses back, lose all his points back. Why? Because he just keep waiting, and all the profit has gone again. Okay, the system protect your capital, protect also your profit. It says move stop loss to take profit 1, price at 37,720. Minimum logged profit is 87 points. So what happened if the price will come back to take profit 1 and close at take profit 1? So let's imagine this scenario happen, the price come here. At least you have 87 points profit logged. So it will hit your stop loss now at 87 point profit, which is really good. Okay, let's see what happened here. It sends you another alert. That's Friday night, guys. See, all the time. It depends on your time, of course. Like each country has a different time, but it says at 8 8 minutes after 8 o'clock, after 10 o'clock, my time. Your time will be different, okay? If you're in the States, it's be like 4 o'clock or 3:50 or something. 8:35. So only the difference, 10:35. The only the difference in time here is very little time, okay? It's just 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, he updated you. Take profit one achieved. Take profit two achieved. Then about 45 minutes later, it sent you another alert. It says update the same signal. Congrats. Take profit three achieved at 37,800, which is this price you can see in the chart. Okay, right there, guys. That's take profit three has been achieved at this price. So the price is displayed here, and the alert is gonna give you the price again. So it makes it really really easy. Okay. You made 262 points. So in this one trade only, you made 260. Watch out. You've had a trade here, okay? And it was updated. And at least you had also take profit two or something, okay? Now you have another trade. You had take profit three. So that's how the system works. So for this trade only, you have made 262 points. It says move stop loss entry to take profit two. Okay, so now you move your stop loss to TB2, which has 37,808. And minimum locked profit now is 174. So now if the price would come back from TB3 and go back down, at least you have logged all this profit from here. This is logged profit. You can't lose it anymore. That's it. That's yours. Okay. So the system has like a trailing stop. As it moves, it sends you alert to move your stop up. It says partial close is strongly recommended. Okay, guys, it's very strongly recommended to close half of your position because when you reach take profit three, most likely you're gonna get a pullback or a correction first before you can continue. So close some of your trades at take profit three and see what happens. Okay, if the rest comes back down, at least you logged some at take profit three and some at take profit two, which is really good. And if it continue to hit take profit 4 or 5, you close some at TB3, which is good profit, and you let the runner go to TB4, TB5. So kind of your win-win situation for you. Okay, so that's the system. It's working great. If you guys would like to subscribe, we offer 1 month free. Just text us. I want 1 month free. We'll try it out. It's really easy to set up. If you can get any chart, let's say you have the system after you have been invited. Once you're invited, you go to indicator, you go to invite only indicator, you're gonna find the iSignal system here. You just click on it, it's gonna show in the drawing right here. How to set the alert? You just go alert right here, but make sure which time frame first. So that's 15 minute time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here. See, I have one for the Dow Jones at 15 minutes, one for the gold at 15 minutes, £1 New Zealand for 1 hour, €1 New Zealand for 5 minutes, and £1 yen for 5 minutes. Also, I'm going to show you another trick right now. So let's say I'm going to set alert for Dow Jones at 15 minutes. But for the Dow, I don't want to take any sells. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here for the setting, and I'm going to go right here, and I'm just going to say, okay, only enable buy alert, and just don't send any sell. This is very strongly recommended, guys, to do it for gold, Dow Jones, some stocks. Okay, it's just gonna update you when your take profit happen. If the market's coming back, retreating back a little bit, you're gonna get still this updates with the buy. Okay, but just is not gonna tell you to sell. Okay, because we don't want to sell the Dow Jones, for example. So I'm just gonna only get the buy, and that's really recommended. If you see a strong trend, buy trend, just take the buy alert only. If you see uptrend, take the buy only. If you see a strong trend, the downtrend, only focus on the sell. So just take this like that. What time do you want to trade? If you want to start from, let's say, 0 to 23, which means 24 hours, it's okay. If you want to sell it, set it to, let's say, 8 to 23, that's UTC. So if you're in New York, you have to set it your own time. Okay, so that's UTC time. So you have to figure it out and set the time according to your region, guys, okay? I made it here just like, kind of when London starts and when New York ends. So kind of, the wake up time for me here. Okay. But let's say we're gonna make it 24 hours. Here's the stop loss. How much is the stop loss do you want? 30%? If you want the bigger stop loss or less stop loss, you can change this. You can increase or decrease. It's recommended to keep it as is because this gives the best result. Take profit one. See, the take profit one is 1-to-1 ratio with the stop loss. So risk to reward is 1-to-1 here. Then if you hit take profit two, you move risk to reward 1-to-2. So it's really good. Once you pass The risk only is to get to take profit one. Once you get to take profit one, you move stop loss to entry. Now this trade is no risk. Okay. Then as you move, you can say risk to reward 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So you can make up to 1 to 5. Okay. Risk to reward ratio, which is really good. Okay, guys. That's it for the here. For here, this is just display some stuff, some display if you want to play with it, but nothing really serious. Okay, then I'm gonna say okay. I saved it as is. I want to set it here for Dow Jones. I'm gonna go click alert. See here, this says US30. Just click here. It's gonna show iSignal. Click on iSignal. It's just gonna change everything like that. Notification. Do you want to notify an app? Pop up, which is going to show up here. So you're going to get a message in this area exactly like this. It says buy Dow Jones and so. Okay. Do you want to send an email? Yeah, get an email. If you want to hook it through webhook to get message to Telegram, if you want. When you get alert, do you want a sound? Yeah, I make get a sound. I have chosen this one. I go back to setting here. Okay. Everything looks good. I check create. Watch out here. What's going to happen? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is just gonna show up here at the top. Create. I'm just gonna hit create and watch out. Here. Watch out here, what's gonna happen? Here. Our new alert has been added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has been added right here. iSignal system. The stop loss is 30. First take profit 30. Second 60 and so on. It's active. It's working good. If you want to edit anything in it, you just click like this and you come here, change anything you want here. Okay. Make sure if you set this for buy only and you let's say you change for bound yen and bound yen you want to change set for sell. Okay. Make sure you go here and go and change the setting because it's gonna keep as like that. Okay, once you change it once, it's just gonna stay as is till you change it again. So for bound yen, I just want to do the opposite. I want to only send sell signals. So I'm gonna say, okay, everything looks good. 15-minute time frame. I want to get sell signals. What happen if I want 5 minutes? I just go change this to 5 minutes. Here. Okay, I make sure this only sell. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'm just gonna go and say alert. Use this one here. Everything good. Looks here. You're gonna get create. We got the bound Japanese yen right here. See guys? So you got the bound Japanese yen in 5-minute time frame. Then all the signals, once you get a signal, they're gonna show up here and also in your app and everything. See like that. The system has so many signals. It says update here, and so on. If it hits stop loss, it's just gonna give you a message, hit stop loss. That's a couple days ago. It's January 19th. Price has dropped 25.38. It means dropped $25. And this is equal to average daily move. Market is in oversold territory for today. Consider taking partial profit for your sell trade. Okay, so what happened here? See, let's say here, the average daily move for an asset, it's written at the top here. So the gold moves 25.37 in average. For the last 50 days, it has moved in average this price, okay? And the last day, which is this day, it moves only 90. So imagine we sold somewhere here. We sold here, okay? And the price dropped from this top to here, $25. This is equal to the average daily move. So it means if the gold would move farther down, the chances are getting less. It could move $5 or $7 extra, but the chances are getting lost. So it's very recommended once you get this message. Okay, it means for the day the gold is getting exhausted. It's not gonna probably make double of this move. It could make 25% extra, 20%. So watch the market very well to close your position. And it's recommended to close half of your position. So let's say you sold here. And for the average move, the gold dropped to $25. So you need to close half of your position or 100% of your position here. Okay, this is clear. This number, the average daily move, change for every asset. Okay, and this alert you get it. So let's say you trade Apple here. See what's gonna happen here? It says 2.46. So it moves $2.46. So if you buy here, let's say here, and the price will move 3.51. So you should have taken trade somewhere here, or at least closed half of your trade. You get my point? Some days are gonna be extra, like this. It moves $7. Here it moves 2.6, 3.4, 2.2, 4.1. Okay, but that is the average at the top here. So it gives you an idea, okay, as a reference where you should be taking half of your position, take profit. So this is range, okay, guys? Okay, let's say you sell the Dow Jones. You sold the Dow Jones like this one. It says price reach take profit 2 at 37,160. You have a sell trade, okay? You have TB1 and TB2. The price want to hit like TB2, then what happened? It bounced back up. The system is just gonna keep you thinking that's gonna continue coming down. No, what's gonna happen? It says price update if you 30 sell signal. Price reach take profit 2 at that price. I made 172 points. Then retreated to TB1 at 37,246. So it did go back up to TB1. Remember the previous signal, it said move your stop loss to TB1. So your stop loss right now at TB1. So it says trade closed at TB1 at 37,246 with 86 points. You got this point? Okay, guys. So first you get a sell trade here. You made a sell trade, and that's your TB1. Okay, once you hit TB1, we tell you move your stop loss to TB1. So right now your stop loss right here. Then once you reach TB2, okay, what happened is the price did go back up to hit TB1. Your TB1 now is your stop loss. Okay, so it says you made 86 points. You get my point? So we get also alert if this situation happen. Okay, that's really good. Here the Dow Jones. That's the previous signal. It says TB2 achieved. You get my point? Move stop loss to TB1. Okay, guys? Move stop loss to TB1, risk-free trade. Okay, so and so on. Okay, guys, if you would like to order the system, please contact us. We offer 1 year subscription fees for a small amount of fees. Also, if you would like to try it for a month for free, also send us please a message and we'll give you 1 month to try it for free. Thank you and have a wonderful day and successful trading.